video. Just getting to this trail, Sensiba Trail or something like that. Something new. So we're about to check it out. Stay tuned. Look at these snails. It's in there, but it's cracked. It's all dried up. You're basically in the lake. Oh. Alright guys, it's a few hours later. We came home from our walk. We were all exhausted, tired, so we just relaxed, made dinner. Now I'm headed to the gas station to go get us some drinks and some snacks, and then probably come back and just play the Nintendo Switch with Phoenix for a little bit. But then that's probably gonna do it for today's video. Stay tuned till tomorrow. I got a little breakfast thing for the men at our church tomorrow. Starts at 8 o'clock. Goes probably for a couple hours or so, but I'm gonna be going early at like 6:30 to go help set up everything and whatnot. So that's the plans for tomorrow, and then hopefully I'm looking to get in on the bike tomorrow. Been a little minute, been like a week or so, so that's what we're doing right now, so stay tuned. What's up guys, currently the next day, on my way to the men's breakfast at church. Starts at 8, running a little late. I didn't wake up for 6:30 to go help set up. I was too tired, but we're on our way there right now. Supposed to be a couple of speakers giving their testimony, so that should be cool. Try to get some clips if possible, but if not, then that's cool, so stay tuned. Alright, on my way home now. Just finished with the men's breakfast at church. It was really good. The guy's testimony was really good, powerful. But on our way home right now. I'm pretty sure the boys is going by my mom's. Spend the night. Not sure what me and Kaylin are gonna do. We'll still have Willow, but it should be a lot easier to do something if you want to do something. than having the crazy boys. So that's what we're doing right now. Stay tuned. What? Huh? Yeah. Careful. All right, guys, at Pampering Park right now, going for a little walk. Decided to go for a little walk before we drop the kids off, and then we'll probably be going on a bike ride, me and Kaylin. So stay tuned. Blue slug bug! Blue slug bug! What's up, guys? Just getting downtown. Me and Kaylin on the boardwalk with the bikes. Probably the last nice day of the year, honestly, so. Probably about to head towards the pier on the trail, and then maybe head through the city on the way back. Beautiful day. Hey. Stopped off on the river. They got a little, someone made a little like seating area and whatnot. A little beach type area. Came over here just to chill on our bike ride. Let me see your tricks.
I don't have
No tricks? No hand.
I can't.
No hands.
I don't trust myself.
No hands. Let me see. No hand. I'll hold it. Let me see it. Hold on, guys. Let's see if she can do no hands.
You remember when I was doing it in Sheboygan? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you gotta have a tight frame. Right.
Yeah, you gotta keep your core tight.
Okay, core tight.
You gotta keep your core tight.
I'm trying. I have no core line. Yeah, no.
You can keep going straight. Yeah. Like actual seasonings?
No, oh, would that be down the taco?
Yeah. Just getting the Woodman's. Picked up Willow. Finished with our bike ride stuff. Coming to get some stuff for make beer tacos tonight. So I'll probably show you guys that too. Got the tortillas. Just looking for some seasoning.
You think I should get more than this?
For 3 pounds, yeah.
Oh,
Might as well cook it all.
more?
Yeah, one more. Might as well cook it all. Alright, gonna start getting the meat ready. I'm gonna get these tortillas all fried up and ready. Alright guys, on my way back to my parents. Gotta drop this car seat off for Coy. My mom and them are taking the boys to church. That's what we're doing right now, stay tuned. I got the meat all browned up. I'll go let this sit. I'll just start on this tortillas. That's what 30 tacos looks like right there.
You didn't put no sauce on it. You didn't put no sauce on it.
I don't need no sauce.
I need some sauce though.
That's busting. Go on, do a second bite.
Did you grab the sauce? Where's the sauce? Oh, it's right here. I almost like.